Prepare to be amazed. We're standing in one of the most surreal places on Earth, Salar de Uyuni. Located in Bolivia, this is the largest salt flat in the world, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers. But here's the magic. During the rainy season, this salt desert transforms into a perfect mirror, blending sky and earth into a seamless dreamscape. Let's explore the wonder and beauty of Salar de Uyuni together. Salar de Uyuni is more than just a salt flat, it's a natural masterpiece. Formed by the evaporation of ancient lakes, its surface is covered in a layer of salt crystals that stretch as far as the eye can see. This alien-like landscape is a result of millions of years of geological transformation, creating an environment so unique that it's visible from space. Here's where the magic happens. During the rainy season, thin layers of water collect on the salt flats, turning them into a giant mirror. The reflection is so perfect, it feels like you're walking on the sky itself. Sunrise and sunset create breathtaking colors, with shades of pink, orange and gold blending seamlessly with the heavens. It's an experience that will leave you speechless. Salar de Uyuni offers unforgettable experiences for adventurers and dreamers alike. Get creative with perspective photos on the flats, where you can make yourself look tiny or gigantic against the endless horizon. Explore Isla Incahuasi, a surreal island covered in towering cacti, or stay in one of the unique salt hotels, where even the beds and walls are made of salt. And don't miss the chance to stargaze at night. The flats provide a crystal clear view of the Milky Way like no other. Salar de Uyuni offers two incredible experiences depending on the time of year. Visit between May and November during the dry season to see the iconic hexagonal salt formations stretching endlessly. Or, if you want to witness the magical mirror effect, come between December and April when the rains transform the flats into a reflective paradise. Both seasons are equally breathtaking. As beautiful as Salar de Uyuni is, it's also a fragile ecosystem. To preserve its magic, travel responsibly. Stick to designated paths, choose eco-friendly tour operators, and support the local communities who rely on salt harvesting for their livelihoods. Together, we can ensure this natural wonder remains pristine for future generations. Salar de Uyuni is a place like no other, a dreamscape that feels more like a portal to another world. If this stunning destination has captured your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with fellow adventurers and subscribe to our channel for more journeys into the world's most incredible places. Let's keep exploring together. Add all caps subtitles with a spoken word highlight.